Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to active JV on country lock iPhone. On JV iPhone running SIM card without any problem. So let's start the video. First let me show you JV mobile address looks like. First open the settings on iPhone and then hit the general and tap now about. Scroll down. As you can see here, it says SIM locked. I try to show you, and what will be a normal phone will be written in this place, no SIM restrictions. And now I tell you how to run SIM in it. Now I will also show you the JV chip, but before that I will insert the SIM without JV to see what it does. Now I pull out the SIM tray and insert the SIM to show it. After inserting the SIM, it will have to restart once. As you can see, it is in exactly the same position as when we factory reset the iPhone. And above you can see that the SIM signal is coming, but the SIM is not working. Now we will put JV chip in it and insert SIM and then see if SIM works or not. This is a JV chip. It is exactly a SIM shaped chip which has to be placed in the SIM tray before we insert the SIM. Now we put it in mobile. Now the phone will have to restart once. And now you can see that the SIM is working perfectly along with the signal. Now you can call, messages, everything on it. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.